Introducing the Motorola Edge Plus. The phone coming with a 108MP quad rear cameras with up to 10x optical zoom. It also has a waterfall display and 5G network connectivity. Hundred and 8MP quad rear cameras with up to 10x optical zoom. (25MP plus 8MP wide camera lenses for selfie). (6.67" Super AMOLED capacity touchscreen, 1080p resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, and 120Hz touch sensing. Lithium-ion 5170 mAh battery with fast battery charging at 35 watts. IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Snapdragon 865 processor and GPU Adreno 650. (8 and 12GB RAM, 64GB to 512GB storage option). Subscribe for more updates.